Hi, this is Stephen Childs, Team Fairness, or Church of Fairness. I just remembered something that is really important to me. It was told to me by Joseph Campbell. There was a video that came out, The Power of Myth, and Bill Moyers interviewed Joseph Campbell. And Joseph Campbell was dying of cancer, so he dared say things straight without sugarcoating or anything. So he talked about Gnosticism and all the various opinions of other religions and how the mythology empowers us. And he explained, get caught up by this power of myth, that it's about our inner selves. And you'll find that there are beings here, mythological, whatever they actually are, isn't myth, it's fact. And we see them as myth because we don't understand what they really are. Anyway, doors open for you. Synchronicity happens. So he talked a lot about Carl Jung and how we look inside, do our shadow work, and find what we don't know about ourselves, and other people probably do know about ourselves, and we don't see it till we're ready to accept the facts about ourselves. So I just saw something that, like a synchronistic event. Right there. There's one of them right there. See, there you go. I don't know what it is. So anyway, Campbell's explaining how he heard D.T. Suzuki speaking on a comparative religion gathering of various religions, and he's a Zen Buddhist, and he began his talk by saying, man against man, man against God, God against man, man against nature, nature against man, strange religion. He's speaking about the Western religion, where there's like this teaching that I was taught, and I see people still suffering from this idea that nature is not God, and God is in opposition to nature. That's absurd. So I have a non-dual idea now, that there's one thing, and it is everything. It's not the cause of everything, it's both the cause and it's also everything that exists is it. So the source is the creation of the source. There's the source of everything, God, and then God is the creation. They're not two different things. The creator is the creation. So, nature is God. Nature is the source. Scientifically, you can define everything we know from physics, from all the branches of science, and we can call them all nature. And that's perfectly okay. Or we can call them all God. And that's perfectly okay. We're talking about the same thing. Where does this opposition come from? See, this is why D.T. Suzuki said, this is a strange religion. It teaches to conquer the other people instead of to be friends. It's tragic. Anyway, I want to say thanks to D.T. Suzuki. And guess who else has appeared on the horizon. DT. Who's DT nowadays? Donald Trump. That's bizarre. So he's in the position to be supportive and to help me and the Team Fairness and the Church of Fairness to bring about the World Fairness Agreement. And that would be awesome. Then he's totally forgiven, exonerated, and he's a hero. Thank you, Donald Trump.